say you love me, but I...
Oh, my new obsession is the Starbucks tall mocha salted frappuccino. Just stop it. What are you talking about? $5.25 for this little bad boy. Yeah. Hi, and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kinda Girl. I am so excited. This is going to be my first purchase of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now, I have never been able to have enough money or, enough finances to afford the Morphe by Jeffree Star makeup and different stuff by Jeffree Star. So I am so super excited. Now, the first item that I picked up is totally awesome. This is like so cool. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star brush collection. So there is 7 custom eye and face brushes. It is valued at $49. So yeah, it's really cute. It comes with, and I'm going to show you guys what it comes with, and then I'm going to open it up. So it says 7 individual brushes. So we have Meet 7 Iconic Superstars. A jaw-dropping, beat-creating brush collection from our Firecast and our Fierce Babes, Jeffree Star. You'll live for these 7 iconic custom brushes that'll kick, blank, and take names. You better work. So we have the Jeffree Star 1 Size Queen brush, Jeffree Star 2 Point Blank Precision brush, and I'm going to get into those when I open them up. We have the Jeffree Star 3 Iconic Contour brush, a Jeffree Star 4 Fly High brush, a Jeffree Star 5 Crease Queen brush, we have Jeffree Star 6 Roll Blender blush, and a Jeffree Star 7 Double Trouble brush. Okay, so, and then it comes with a let's see what that says, so I'm not saying it wrong. Yeah, Starstruck bag. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, guys, this is absolutely beautiful. It is Starstruck. Look at how just the detail of the glitter in the bag. So beautiful. Now, I would never normally spend $49 on something, but again, in the past, my finances have been really horrible, but right now they are not. So I am really excited. Like, I'm so grateful that I'm able to purchase these Jeffree Star items. Look at how pretty the bag is. Like holographic, pink. Then we have clear, and I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Okay, these are absolutely amazing. OMG, just stop it. Look at how pretty. I'm going to take each one out just to show you guys, but oh my god, just look at the packaging. Look at how they look just through the package. Stop it. I am so happy right now. And okay, so when I was at the store, I'm like, oh, these are so cool. And then I looked at the price and I almost fell over. I'm like, but I'm so grateful that I'm able to purchase, something that I've always wanted. I love Jeffree Star. I love his, this doesn't even feel cheap. I was thinking, okay, for $49, these things better, feel heavy. And this is pretty heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up and show you guys which one is which. I'm literally just so excited. I just can't. Okay, guys, I went ahead and took each one out of that big package. This is the Jeffree Star 1. Now, I think this, let me see, because on the back it's going to say. I'm so sorry. I should have myself together, but I don't. Okay, so the Jeffree Star 1 Queen brush. So this is the Queen brush, okay? Look how big, this brush is so big, at the top. Very, very pretty. And it's different colors. There's browns in there, there's pinks. And I'm telling you guys, this is heavy. This is so beautiful. I love this. I don't even want to get it dirty. That's how mad I am right now. Thinking about I have to use them. I don't even want to dirty them. Am I weird for saying that? Or does everybody else feel like that? Okay, so we have the Jeffree Star 2 Paint Blank Precision Brush. So this is... now look at the difference in the sizes just so we can show you guys. One is like fatter and this one is longer. So cool. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, so the next one is Jeffree Star 3, which is the Jeffree Star Iconic Contour Brush. So I love doing contour. I mean, who doesn't, right? So that's pretty cool. The next one is the Jeffree Star 4 Morphe X brush, and let's see what that one says. So this one's called Fly High Brush. Cool. Okay. Then let's get into, and I have more items to show you guys. Okay, we have Jeffree Star 6. So which one is 6? This is Rule Blender Brush. Cool. Okay, the next one, this one is the Jeffree Star 5. So let's see what 5 is. Okay, 5 is the Crease Queen. So this is for a crease brush, which, you know, you can use them however you want. Everybody's different. I mean, I don't listen to everything says. So, I mean, however it, like, helps you with your makeup, just use it however. Now, this one actually has a spoolie at the end. And it's kind of hard to zoom in, of course, with my camera's not working. Well, whatever. There's a spoolie at the end. This one is, let's see. This one does not say. So this must be the last one. This one does not even have any markings on it. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. But this one's not marked at all. The last one with the spoolie. Let's see. So this is, I guess, the Jeffree Star 7. But it doesn't say that on there, which is so weird. And it says Double Trouble Brush. So we got a Double Trouble Brush. So this is Double Trouble Brush. But it does not say anything about being Jeff. Oh, it does. I'm sorry, guys. It does. So we do have it on the end of the spoolie. Jeffree Star number 7. So this is a Double Trouble. Now, I have another brush that I picked up as well with this set. And I don't know how much this one was. Let me see. This comes in this awesome little case. Look at Morphe X Jeffree Star. And this one, I don't think I have this one. So let's see what this one's called. Oh, this is the Jeffree Star number 6. So I guess it's the same as my number 6 brush right here. It says, "Hi, Flawless Blending. How are ya?" That's so cool. Oh my god, I love Jeffree Star. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I don't know how much this was. I think it was like $16 or $18 just for one. I can't remember. But it was literally at least 20 bucks. So, now it is different because, yeah, it is the number 6 blending brush. But it's different. So, that's pretty cool. I have a different one than that. So I'm just amazed on how beautiful I love this bag. I love the brushes. Okay, yeah, 50 bucks, but it is Jeffree Star, and I'm so excited. So this is the one thing I got. And then I got some other stuff. Oh, and I got this brush, too. I showed you guys. So let's get into my favorite item from the haul. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star Artistry Palette. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, guys, I just want to show you the back before I show you the actual palette. It says, "Hi, how are ya? We all know I live for making bold statements, especially with my makeup. The world needs color, and I'm serving it up pound by pound. I am so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette with vivid shades to life and bring it back into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created for all of you. One touch and you'll be hooked. So dive in and explore your creativity. Love lipstick, Jeffree Star." So cool. So excited. Okay, let's get into this awesome palette. Okay, guys. Now, we all know that even the front is awesome. Okay. So let's go ahead. I've never had this, so oh, there's a mirror. Okay, so when you do open this up, I want to show you guys what it says. There is a mirror there, but yeah. So I didn't want to be putting myself on the camera, but it does say Morphe Jeffree Star with the mirror. And let's get into these amazing colors. I just can't. I'm so blessed and happy right now, you guys have no idea. Okay, so we have Welcome, which is silver with glitter. Just stop it. Then we have Back, which is like a brownish color. Oh, I like that 2 color. Look how beautiful that is. Then we have My, which is like a beige base color, whatever. Then we have Chanel, and that's like an orange, dark orange. Then we have this beautiful, beautiful, look at this one. It's called Wand Nose. I like that. Okay, and then we have Lynn, typical maybe base color, like beige, or not beige, but white. It's like an off-white. Then we have 1985, so it's like a tan color. Then we have Mughal, I believe. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Mughal. That is beautiful purple. Then we have Self-Made. I love that Self-Made color. That is absolutely beautiful. Then we have Dog Mom. Look how pretty. I'm so excited about using these shades, you guys. And if you guys do not know, I'm going to have my makeup channel. So I have 2 different channels. But I have one that's going to be strictly just for something else and then in makeup. So I'll get into that later. I will leave the description in the box so you guys can find my other channel. So I am going to be doing makeup videos, and I am going to be using this palette to show you guys looks that I would use. You know, maybe you want to use them too. Then we have Honest Truth. Let's see. We have Designer Label. I love that. Look how beautiful. Then we have Mr. Diva. We have Boss Angels. That's pretty color, like a deep red. Then we have Pink Fleet. And this was Calabasas. Oh, I like that Calabasas color. Very, very pretty. Then we have Don't Know Her. Oh, I love that pink. See, my shades are like pinks and bright colors, but I love all of them. We have Rolls With It, another glitter. These colors are so beautiful. I just can't. Even putting these 3 colors together, the Designer Label, Rolls With It, and Millions, that would be pretty. Just these gold or just these silvers. Then we have Girl, and that's like a brown sparkly. Then What's the Tea? That's like a good base color, but we have Vroom Vroom, gray. Then we have Custom Rims. I like that one. Look at the custom rims and that Don't Know Her would be so pretty together. Then we have Fast Lane, which is a black sparkly. Very pretty. Then we have Hi Duder, or Hi Dude. That's cute. Then we have Drive Through. Look at that. It's like an amazing yellow. It's not coming up on camera, but man, that's like a yellow glitter. Cool. Then we have Nate. So cute. I love that green. Then we have Wake and Bake. All right. Right up my alley. And we have Glam Rapids. So out of these colors, I'd say basically all of them are my favorite. It's so weird that the Jeffree star just added to his his Snapchat and it set it on my phone. That's crazy. But yeah, I am so excited, you guys. This is so beautiful. I am so, so happy. Like, these colors are just amazing. Even putting, like, the color Nate and Self-Made. I don't know. I'm going to have so many different things that I'm going to do with this palette. I'm going to have so much fun. I am so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm just so, so excited, you guys. You have no idea. So, I did get 2 other items, which are not Jeffree Star, just to pick up to try, because why not? And I will add them in this haul. I did get this all from Ulta, the beauty store, just to let you guys know. But I did pick up this Natural Remedies Facial Toner, Witch Hazel, Aloe Vera Formula. This is cucumber and alcohol free. So, I don't know. I've been using this stuff for years. So I thought it was really cool. I think it was like $5 or $3.99 or $5.99. And you get 3 fluid ounces. So I really do love using the facial toners. Okay, and then I did pick up some little lipsticks, a little trial size, Kylie Kardashian or whatever. Or no, Kylie Jenner mini liquid lipsticks. So I just picked up 2 shades just to try it out because I was like, why not? I gotta pick up some lip glosses and they were right by the checkout, so it kind of like was an impulse buy, but whatever. I am so excited about this palette. I'm so excited about all the Jeffree Star stuff I got. I will be showing more hauls on whatever else I get from Jeffree Star's cosmetics because I am so excited, so happy, just so happy that I finally been able to purchase things that I really want to use and utilize. I'm so excited, you guys. Now, if you guys are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button because every single month I'm going to be putting out videos like this and all kinds of videos. And remember, guys, I'm not perfect, but every single day I try to become a better person. And with that said, you cannot take care of anybody in this world until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. Please leave me a comment below. Like, did you guys use these items before? Or what is your favorite color out of the palette of the Jeffree Star palette? I literally, if I had to pick a favorite color, favorite would probably be all of them, but would probably be this pink self-made and this one, Millions. So pretty. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.